Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashu Vlogs. Today, grade 4th, chapter 2, long and short, will be explained in this video. The very first question is what is length? Throughout the chapter, it will be discussed about distance. The first and foremost is to know what is length. Length is a measure of distance. The distance can be either long or short. Different distance will be measured in different measuring unit. The standard measuring unit is meter. So if the distance is too long, then it is measured in kilometers. If it is too small, it is measured in millimeter. We can see millimeter in ruler. So daily we use scale, that is so called ruler. In that, between the centimeter 1 2 3, between that small 10 numbers will be there. That is called millimeter. The single small division is called as millimeter. Such a small distance is called millimeter. And from one stop to another stop, usually we travel by bus or other vehicles, that distance can be assumed as kilometer. Such a long distance will be called as kilometer. By keeping this in the mind, let's solve certain problems. Before that, between kilometer and millimeter, there are other measuring units. They are hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. These all, from kilometer till millimeter, all those are the measuring units of small or long distance. In the number line, this side is represented as right side and this side will be represented as left side. When the arrow moves towards the right, when the line moves towards the right, then you have to write multiplication symbol into. Then if the line moves towards the left, the arrow mark is towards the left, it indicates division. Let's move towards the first mean, that is in which unit will you measure, either in a centimeter, meter or kilometer. The first question is length of a pen. The length of the pen can be measured in centimeter. How we will get? No, we can measure that in scale. So we can say that it can be measured in centimeter, in terms of centimeter. Your height, can you measure in scale? No. Then it is more than centimeter, more than a scale, less than the kilometer. So it is called as meter. Then among those options you have to say either a centimeter, meter or kilometer. Length of the garden, it can be measured as meter. Then length of 100 rupees note can be measured in centimeter. Length of the pin, it can be measured in scale, so centimeter. Then height of the house, it can you measure in the scale, ruler? No. Then it can be told as meter, because kilometer is too far. When you are traveling from one place to another, it goes with kilometer. Rest, it should be either centimeter or kilometer, centimeter or meter. Distance the scooter travel in kilometer. Next mean is problems on conversion. The very first question is 900 centimeter is equals to dash meter. Either you can solve directly by 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, we know, by converting that, or easy way is writing the conversion, measuring chart, that is distance chart, and then first identifying whether to do multiplication or division and then solving it step by step. First, according to this, first we need to write conversion chart, that is kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. After writing the conversion chart, then in the question, which unit is there? Centimeter and meter. That one in the chart we have to mark centimeter and meter. From the centimeter, meter, it is moving towards the left, which means the arrow is left. Division, it indicates division. You need to do division. Why? If the arrow moves towards left, division, right, it is multiplication. I told you before. And from centimeter to meter there is two jumps. Two jumps means 20. And what is there in the question? 900 divided by, because division symbol, divided by 100 you need to put. Why 100? Because two jumps, one followed by two zeros. You need to put always either multiplying or dividing, one followed by number of zeros based on number of jumps in the question. After writing that, what is there at the top, that is in the numerator 900, that you need to write aside, and after that you should put how many jumps you have taken, that is two jumps down. In the denominator you have two zeros, based on that you have to make jumps, that is from the right towards the left, two jumps. Wherever it stops, there you have to put decimal point. It means that 9 meter. Okay, after decimal point, if there is only zeros, you can exclude that, you should not write that. So 9 meter you can write. The answer is 9 meter. Next question, 5 kilometer is equals to dash meter. For this, again we have to write conversion chart. Then in the question we have kilometer and meter. First kilometer we have to mark, then meter. It is moving towards the right, means multiplication. You have to put multiplication symbol. Then from kilometer towards the meter, how many jumps is there? That many jumps you have to put. Then in the question you have 5. You have to write down 5 multiplied by how many zeros? 1 followed by 3 zeros. Because why 3 zeros? 3 zeros because 3 jumps we did. So 3 zeros. That is 5 into 1000 is equals to 5000 meter. 5 ones are 5 and 3 zeros. 5000 meter. So the answer is 5000 meter. Rest of the problems will be explained in next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.